Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make mint pesto. First, gather your fresh ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of packed mint leaves, 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, and a half cup of pine nuts or walnuts. These nuts will give your pesto a lovely, creamy texture. Don't forget a half cup of grated Parmesan cheese for that essential savory depth. This combination forms the delicious base. Now, let's get blending. Place your fresh mint, garlic, pine nuts, and Parmesan cheese into a food processor. Pulse a few times until everything is roughly chopped. Then, with the processor running, slowly drizzle in about 1/3 to 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Continue blending until the pesto reaches your desired smooth consistency. Season with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper. Once your pesto is blended, it's time to taste and adjust. Add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice to brighten the flavors. About 1 tablespoon usually works well. If you prefer a thinner consistency, add a little more olive oil. For storage, transfer your delicious mint pesto to an airtight container. It will stay fresh in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, ready for your next meal. Your homemade mint pesto is incredibly versatile. Toss it with your favorite pasta, spread it on grilled chicken or fish, or even use it as a vibrant sandwich spread. It also makes a fantastic dip for fresh vegetables. For longer storage, you can freeze portions in ice cube trays. And hey, while you're enjoying your delicious pesto, remember to stay hydrated. Check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.